Good afternoon. My name is Sean Brown. It is September 26th on a Thursday at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm here to present my Python program. So here are the three variables that I defined: user input, counter, my song. I have the user input equal string, the counter equal integer, and then my song also equals string. And then I create a while loop, so having the user input, if they don't equal enter null, then the line will execute, presenting the line, having you please enter your line, and then asking for the user input, and then that user input is put into the line variable, and then my song variable is that variable is added to with this plus equal sign, and then the line is added to the string, adding a counter for the line number, and then adding a semicolon separately so that it displays correctly, adding the input from the user, and then this /n is to separate the lines so it looks correctly. And then here's for the code for the counter. It's just adding as it goes on, and then once it's done, it will once the user enters their line, they press enter. As you can see here, enters the line. Do you want to add more? Yes, yes, yes. Then no, and then it prints out the versus entered, and that's where that is right there. If it enters, here's the user enters, then